Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Ayo. I made this delicious meal for my family tonight. Are you a lover of white rice, but you're actually tired of stew and vegetable and you're looking for a new way to elevate your white rice? Then follow me and let's cook this recipe together. I made use of lots of onions, chopped red bell pepper, and chopped green pepper, rosemary herbs, and a lot of seasoning to taste. I fried my onions in a hot vegetable oil and allowed it to cook properly for some time. And before introducing my red bell pepper and my chopped green pepper, I allowed this to fry as well, just so for the pepper to release the natural juice into the oil. And then I went in with my Maggi, some salt, some curry, some thyme to taste. I left this to cook for a good amount of time, but not, completely, what's it called, allowing it to overcook, so that my vegetable can still be very chewy and I can still enjoy it as well. It's not, frying completely as pepper. And then I introduced my rosemary herbs or spice to give it a fantastic aroma, and then to allow it taste properly as well. Believe me, this is the best sauce I've made in recent time. It tastes so good, it smells so good, and I'm not feeling the boredom that it's white rice again, because it's something very different from the usual stew, soup, or vegetable, as the case may be. I introduced my slightly fried gizzard. I chopped the gizzard into bite size just to make it very chewy and easy to manage as well. And voila, that's my sauce ready to be devoured. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what recipe you would like me to choose. Do you find this very engaging and interesting? Please engage with my videos and encourage me to do more. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and enjoy the rest of your day till we speak next time. Bye.